Hey, how's it going? This is Owen. I'm with the Slumber Yard. Hope you're all doing well out there. In today's video, we have a solo review of the Purple Original mattress, one of the most unique and interesting beds you can buy online. You might be familiar with Purple. They advertise a lot. They're one of the biggest names in online mattresses for one big reason, and we'll get into that in this video. More information should be linked for you down below in the description if you want to check it out. This video should be pretty much everything you need. We're going to cover what this Purple mattress is actually made of, what it's going to feel like for you to sleep on, how firm it is, how much it costs, and who might want to pick one up for themselves. If you find this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into the review. All right, so let's kick this thing off by doing a brief overview of the policy information for Purple, the stuff like shipping, returns, trial periods, and warranties. We did get sent this bed for free to test out and then tell you all about it, but if you get one for yourself, you start with free shipping. Now, I'm not sure what they're using these days to ship the Purple Original. When we originally got it, it was in a large bag. Sometimes it might be a large box, really depends, but the process is virtually identical. You take it out of the box or bag, you rip off all the plastic it's wrapped in, and then you watch a new mattress inflate. Once the bed arrives at your door, you get a 100-night trial period with Purple, so you have a little bit over 3 months to sleep on the bed to really determine if you like it or not. If you decide you don't like the mattress within the 100-night trial period, but after the first 3 weeks, you can return it and get a full refund. Pretty much every mattress brand asks you to sleep on their bed for 3 to 4 weeks to really give your body time to adjust to it, so just know that going in. And also make sure you don't destroy the tag. Certain brands will not really accept a mattress return if you rip off the tag, so leave that tag on. But if you decide to keep the bed, which you probably will if you're doing all your mattress research, this thing is backed by a standard 10-year warranty. More information about the policy should be linked in the description if you're curious, but you're probably interested in more important stuff like the construction and feel. And this bed is comprised of foam layers aside from the proprietary top layer, so this bed does not feature coils, which is a big distinction. There are many Purple hybrid mattresses that use coils, but the Purple Original uses foam for support. So if you are a heavier individual, say 250 pounds, in that range, you might want to look into getting a hybrid bed because those tend to be a bit more durable over the long term. Anyway, so on the Purple Original, you have a layer of dense support foam, then you have a layer of transition foam, and then you have the 2-inch thick layer of their proprietary gel flex grid material, which is really what makes a Purple mattress a Purple mattress. This stuff is made of a material called hyperelastic polymer. It's really squishy and stretchy and ultra responsive, and it provides a super unique feel that you're not really going to find anywhere else. When you lay down on your back or your stomach, you feel super buoyant on top of this stuff, almost like you're floating on it, almost like you're weightless. But then if you switch to your side, the material does a really nice job of conforming to your body's shape and provides you nice cradling support while also being ultra responsive. So the bed really moves with you. I like to describe this feel as a gel-like feel, and you're not really going to find it anywhere else. Personally, I find it to be incredibly comfortable. I slept on a Purple hybrid mattress for about 5 years and I loved it. Though some people find this feel to be a bit divisive because it is so different than what they're used to. Again, make sure you really utilize that 100-night trial period to ensure that you enjoy the feel of your Purple mattress. But for anyone looking for something new when it comes to mattress feel, Purple's really where it's at. Moving over to the subject of firmness, this bed is going to be around a flat medium on our firmness scale, which means it should be generally pretty accommodating for every sleeping position, back, stomach, side, or a combination of all three. A medium firmness like this works especially well for couples. Maybe you want something a bit firmer, your partner wants something a bit softer. This bed kind of meets in the middle and should work okay for both of you. This bed is also going to be especially good for combination sleepers because of its medium firmness profile and because the mattress really moves with you. There's really no resistance when you're switching from your side to your back, as an example. If you want something especially firm from Purple, there is the Purple Flex available and the Purple Restore mattress. Those are pretty firm, more geared toward back and stomach sleepers. And then if you want something softer, there is the Purple Plus, which adds more foam to soften up the bed, really nice for side sleepers, as well as the Purple Restore Plus and Premier. So you have quite a few options available with Purple when it comes to firmness, but that Purple Original smack dab in the middle. And then let's cover a few important topics for couples, namely edge support and motion isolation. The original version of Purple that I tested way back in the day had really poor edge support. This newly updated version of the Purple Original has very good edge support because they actually made a foam border for this gel flex grid. So the edge support is pretty solid, especially for one that uses foam as its support base, so I wouldn't have any issues there. The motion isolation is also quite good, despite being such a responsive material. The gel flex grid does a pretty nice job at deadening that cross mattress motion. It's not perfect. One of the reasons I actually don't sleep on Purple anymore is because my partner was having issues being a light sleeper on the Purple hybrid. So pretty good motion isolation, but not the best. And then we should also cover temperature regulation. As you can tell, looking at this gel flex grid has virtually no surface area, so there's tons of room for airflow with the Purple mattress. And because the gel flex grid doesn't really retain heat like some other foams can, this bed does an amazing job at staying temperature neutral. It's not necessarily active cooling like the Brooklyn Bedding Aurora or anything like that with a active cooling cover, but this bed should do an excellent job at not heating up on you at night, which is sort of half the battle when it comes to temperature regulation. And then let's move on to the subject of price, and the Purple Original is a fairly expensive mattress, especially when compared to other bed-in-a-box brands. You're looking at about $1,500 for a queen size before discounts, which is quite expensive. You can get some really nice premium hybrid beds for roughly the same price, if not a little bit more or a little bit less, depending on the bed. And after discount, right now, you can get this thing for $1,300, which is a little bit better, but still fairly expensive, especially when compared to something like Casper or Lisa. I think because Purple uses such a unique material that you can't really find anywhere else, they're able to charge a little bit of a premium for it. Make sure you look down below in the description for any price changes and discounts. Those may have changed, and there might be a steeper discount if you're watching this video around a major holiday. And with all that stuff out of the way, that leaves us with the question, who should consider picking up the Purple Original for themselves? And I think anyone really looking for something new in their mattress should be very interested in Purple. That material, that GelFlex grid, is not found virtually anywhere else, not that I've been able to find anyway. And there's a very good chance if you pick up the Purple Original mattress, you'll find it to be incredibly comfortable, which will lead to more restful sleep, which is what we're all looking for. Again, not everyone loves Purple, but the people who do tend to love it a lot and don't really want to sleep on anything else. But let us know what you think about Purple. Write us down below in the comment section. We'd love to get your thoughts. And again, tons of stuff in the description to help with your online mattress search. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. But that's going to do it for me. This is Owen with the Slumber Yard. I'll see you in the next one.